Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. I'm going to be looking at a case that I ordered over at eBay for my OnePlus 6T. There is an option to add on a tempered glass screen protector. I did that for $1 more. Total price, $8.99. I will be leaving the link down below in the description area. Now, I'm a little uneasy about using the tempered glass screen protector that comes with this case, only because I don't know how well it's going to do with the in-display fingerprint reader. Your wipes, dust absorbers, removers, whatever. I'm not going to use any of that except for I will use the wipe. And this is the tempered glass screen protector right here. Completely clear. There's no black borders whatsoever. And there's the notch area for the teardrop, the drip. So we'll put that right over here. So yeah, I'm a little leery about using what I don't know much about, but I'm going to do it anyway. Whether you buy the T-Mobile variant or the unlocked over at the OnePlus website, there's already going to be a screen protector applied to your OnePlus 6T, and you get a free case. And it works great with the in-display fingerprint reader. It's a sensitive area. OnePlus has stated that only their products will work really well with that area. But I'm sure that there are going to be some that work just as well. It's a matter of trial and error. And well, we're going to find out in this video if this screen protector, tempered glass screen protector, is going to work for my OnePlus 6T. Let's check out some info over at eBay. Shockproof armor case, thin hybrid rubber hard shell cover skin for your OnePlus 6T, $7.99 plus free shipping. Estimated delivery date. Those dates are subject to change depending on when you put your order in. So please read everything. Color choices. I got the black in. It's a beautiful looking case. There's white, silver, red. I think I'm going to order that one in. Rose gold, gold, gray, blue, navy blue, and then back to black. But let's just say I wanted to order that red one in right now. Buy another. You have to hit an option, okay, for all the information to go through correctly. Right now it's $7.99, free shipping. So color, let's go down to red. Model, you have one choice, but you have to hit that, okay. Tempered glass, yes, we want the tempered glass, and it changes that to $8.99 free shipping. Okay, buy it now. Very simple stuff. Again, that link will be down below in the description area, but please read everything before you order. Please read everything. Okay, so now we're going to look at this case really quick. That looks really, really nice. Carbon fiber, hard shell polycarbonate back, inner TPU, thin part of the case, nice texture, like a matte finish right here. It's got some grip to it, not a lot of grip, but it's got some grip, but it's got that inner TPU part too, so that's going to be nice and grippy. But this is going to be able to take some punishment if you were to drop your OnePlus 6T. There's two pieces to this, but I'm not going to unsnap that. Yeah, see that? That polycarbonate back. Yeah. And of course, we got the screen protector right here. So I think what I'm going to do first is the screen protector. And we'll get that out of the way. That means I'm going to turn off my device. And power that down. It's going to be a long video. A lot of information. Man, I have to remove. Man. This tempered glass screen protector better work. All right. Better work. I'm going to stand up for this one. Oh, I want my wet one here. That's the one that I want. kick back and enjoy. Thanks for coming on by, man. Give her a nice wipe down. This should be full adhesive. There's no black borders whatsoever. Wow, this is like really hard to tear. If you have the OnePlus 6T, whether it's the T-Mobile variant or the or you brought one in over from the OnePlus website, let me know how it's doing for you. This is slipping and sliding. I'm gonna put down this towel here. Hopefully that'll control some of the slipping and sliding. Take your time. Take your time. Yeah, let me know what your experience has been like with your OnePlus 6T when it comes to performance, functionality, battery life, watching movies, videos on that beautiful display, the audio quality, and that speaker on the left-hand side instead of the right-hand side at the bottom, which is odd. There it goes. Felt like I could have moved that over a little bit more. Or if I lift it up. Sweet. All right, that's looking pretty good. It's looking really good. Yeah, number one, with any smartphone that I bring in, you got to have connectivity with your carrier. Making phone calls, receiving phone calls, text messaging, going in and out. That's got to be number one. And then performance, functionality, battery life, and everything else. Wow, that looks really, really good. There's a little bubble in there, but I'll work that out. Not bad for having to lift that up. Okay, there's a bubble right there. So I'll try to get that out, but let's go ahead and put the case on as well. And then I'm going to register. I'm going to try the fingerprint for my thumb is already in there. We're going to try that on the tempered glass screen protector first. And if it responds really well, I'm not going to change it. But if it doesn't, I'm going to delete what I have already in my 6T and then reapply my fingerprint, both my thumbs, and then we'll try it again. So let's go ahead. And this case should work really well from the same company because you got some space, a little bit of space in between the tempered glass screen protector and the case, as you can see. Okay. And you have your alert slider there, which is exposed, and you got your power button. It says PWR power, so let's go ahead and turn that on. Okay, and you got your volume rocker, and you have your okay, so you have holes right here and here. That's for your mic, and that's for your speaker, and you got your USB Type-C port covered up. I may just cut that off. Okay. So now we're in, and yeah, I typically cut these areas out with some scissors. Let me turn off my OnePlus 6T, but I want to be able to put this in here and see if I can get some power. Boy, it's just hard to see. That's why I don't like those. For me, I just cut that away. All right, so that came on really fast. Really nice. Okay, try that again there. Thanks for bearing with me. Oh, this is long. There we go. So everything working great there. Okay, everything working really, really great there as far as the USB Type-C cable, third party from a company called Yotech. What we need to find out though is if the fingerprint reader in the display is going to work with this tempered glass screen protector from the company that I ordered it from through eBay that came in from China. Okay, so let's go ahead and try this out. Okay, so face unlocked. Okay, I may have to re-register that. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to re-register that. Okay, I erased my thumb fingerprints. I then added my right thumb fingerprint into the OnePlus 6T. I'm going to do my left thumb later. We just want to make sure that this tempered glass screen protector is going to work. So here it goes, man. This is... it just better work. Let's turn it off. And look at that. Wow. Wow. You know what? At this point, this tempered glass screen protector is working better than the screen protector that OnePlus had already applied. I'm going to do this again. That is freaking quick. That is fast. And at this point, everything's working. I will give you an update. Again, the link will be down below in the description area for this case. Screen protector. It's an option. You can add it on or not. But at this point, I'm digging it. I'm loving it. Thanks for coming back and watching this portion of the video and add-on. Only because I missed a couple areas that, well, in my opinion, are very important for you to know. The alert slider. Does that area work with this case? You do have to apply a little bit of pressure, but it does work just fine. Very well protected, even though that area is exposed. It needs to be exposed. And the audio quality that you're going to be receiving into your ears through those three little holes, typically your speaker cutout, whether it's here or here, is a lot bigger and you can actually see the speaker grills. Well, with this case, because they really want to give you the ultimate protection, that's why you have that little flap there as well. They want to give you these three little holes. So is that really going to change the audio quality when watching movies, videos, and listening to music? Let's find out. That area works great. Cool. Uncovered. It almost seems like it enhances the audio quality. It sounds great either way. So no issues going on there. Totally digging that aesthetic design there. Alert slider working just fine. All right, peace. I'm out.